from Wexford Library, and today I'm going to show you how to make a pop-up book. So I have one here that I'm going to finish today. So this is my front cover, and here we have a scary scene, and here we have our little piggy. So I'm going to show you how to make a pop-up. It's very, very simple. I'll just pop that over there. So first, all we need is some cards. We need some markers or colour pencils. We need scissors. We need some pencil. We need some Brit stick. And I also have some scrap paper here. So you can use whatever scrap paper that you have in the house as well. You can get some interesting colours and patterns with that as well. So the first thing you do is you take your sheet of cards and you fold it over. So just fold over that piece and we'll make a crease in it. So we fold it over our piece of paper. Now take your scissors and then we're going to cut 2 lines in the centre of our piece of card. So there's one and there's the second one. Now we're going to make sure these both line up on the ends there. So they're both cut into the same length. There we go, like that. So you can see that? I cut it down. Okay, so now we're going to open up our cards and we're going to push through that little piece that we cut. So we'll just pop it through and we'll fold our card back down and keep holding that out. There we go. So you see what's happening? Our little piece there is sticking out. So we'll fold it back down and make sure we push all that in. And that's what we have there. So if you open it up, you can see this piece in here popping out. And that's where we're going to put our character. So I'm going to make a little hedgehog. So I'll do it rather quickly. I have some nice brown dark cards. And I'm going to draw out my little hedgehog shape. And I'm going to give him spikes as well, because most hedgehogs have spikes. And then I'm going to take my scissors and I'm going to cut out that shape. Now you don't have to do a hedgehog, you can do whatever creature or whatever item, thing that you want. As you can see from my front page, I could start a story about a rocket ship. So now I'm just going to cut the spikes on my little hedgehog. Because hedgehogs are quite spiky, aren't they? So I have my start there for my hedgehog and his little spikes on. And I'm going to create my hedgehog face now. So I'm just using a piece of scrap paper again. And I'm just going to try and create another little kind of oval shape. I'm going to cut that out. And this is going to be my hedgehog face. And that's my hedgehog face. So I have my hedgehog now. I'm just going to glue him down to the piece that's sticking up here. So I'll take my glue and just put a little bit on the back. And I'll glue him down to the piece that's sticking up. And I'm also going to glue on his little face. So a little bit of glue on the back. And there's his little face. And I'm going to give him a little nose and a little eye, because he has to be able to see, doesn't he? Now, so there's my little hedgehog glued down. And I have some card already cut out. So I'm going to put this on strips of grass at the back. So again, my glue stick. So there's my grass I have stuck down on one side, so you can see my hedgehog there. So when I close over the book, he's gone, and I lift the page up and out he pops. So I'm just going to put another little piece of grass on the other side. Over here, so this is kind of like his background. And then just snip that off there. So again, we can see when we close that up, and we pop it open, and there we have our hedgehog. So there he is, and this little piece of grass behind him. Now, you can, if you want to now, get your markers, and you can start drawing in anything that you'd like to draw on it. So I'm going to draw in a few flowers, perhaps. So there we go, there's my few nice flowers. Now you can draw as much as you like, you can stick down as much paper as you like. It's all up to you, really, just use your imagination. So for this book, I'm not going to use any words in this book, so I'm not going to do any writing on this one. Now I have done some writing on these pages here, just to give you an idea of what you can do and where you can put your writing. And I have put some writing on this one here, started a little story about the pig. And in this one, I started a story about the ghost, so this is like a scary story. And then on this one here then, I'm just going to put the title of the book. These are just different ideas that I'm showing you. So this is going to be My Little Rocket. So my, and then little rocket. Now, so that's the title of my book, that's my front cover. There you go, My Little Rocket. So I'm going to show you how we just glue the pages together, so you can continue on making the pages and create your book. So we just fold over our page, and we're going to continue on with this book here. So we're just going to glue this piece here to this piece here. So I get our glue stick, and we glue it down. And make sure you put enough glue on so that they're not going to tear apart when you open up your book. So we have our glue on there, and then we pop on our page to this one here, and a little press, and I'll show you now. So that's our front cover. Could be a story about a rocket, My Little Rocket. And our next page then, in your book it could be a Halloween story, so that's our next page. And then our next page, because these are all glued together, you see, Pink Pig, there he is, and you could write a story about Pink Pig deciding to go for a dip. And then our next page is the one we just finished, and that's our little hedgehog. So you don't have to write any words in your story if you don't want to. So you could just say, for example, we could start off and say, this is Little Hedgehog. One day he found himself in the meadow, looking at all the beautiful flowers. And then you can make your next page and glue it on here. And then you can continue your story. And then when you're finished all that, you just paste over a piece of card all the way from the front to the back, and that will hold your book all together. So I'm really, really looking forward to seeing all your ideas and all your books. And we have loads of lovely art books in the library as well, and you just need to make a quick phone call or get your mom, dad, big sister or adults to send us an email, and we can pick up some books for you, and then you can come in and collect them then at the desk. So we're all really, really looking forward to seeing your great designs. We'll see you again. Take care. Bye.